Good morning. Now I am going to teach you all about past tense. You know, past tense teaches about the time already passed. The time already passed is called past tense. As I saw a man yesterday. I saw a man yesterday. Or we saw a tiger in the zoo last year. गत वर्ष हमने एक बाघ को चिड़ियाघर में देखा. वो बात बीत गई. The action that was done in the past tense is called past tense. The action was done already is called past tense. So past tense means past time. The time which was spent earlier is called past tense. So I think you all understand the meaning of past tense and the example of past tense. Past tense means the time which has been passed. So past tense, we know past tense, the time which has already been spent is called past tense. Now we see the kinds of past tense or the types of past tense. There are 4 types of past tense. There are 4 kinds of past tense. Number 1, simple past. In other words, we can say it past indefinite. Simple past or past indefinite. A structure of simple past is subject plus V2 plus object. It is the very shortest structure, and the very shortest structure shows that it is the structure of simple past or past indefinite. Subject plus V2 plus object. What is the meaning of V2? Do you know V2? V2 means past form of a verb. Past form of a verb is called V2. The subject plus V2 means subject plus past form of verb, and object plus object. As for examples, I taught you English. I taught you English. मैंने तुमको अंग्रेजी पढ़ाई. I taught you English. You learned what he taught. तुमने सीखा, यू लर्नड, तुमने सीखा। व्हाट ही टॉट, जो उसने पढ़ाया, जो उसने पढ़ाया तुमने उसे सीखा। तो यू लर्नड व्हाट ही टॉट। सच टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट इंडेफिनिट। सिंपल पास्ट, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट। इन हिंदी सामान्य भूतकाल। सिंपल पास्ट मीन्स सामान्य भूतकाल। Now come to the second point. Number 2, past continuous. Past continuous or past imperfect. Number second type of past tense is past continuous or past imperfect. Past continuous or past imperfect. Its structure is subject plus was were plus before plus object. Once again, pay attention here. Look at the blackboard. The structure has been already written. Subject plus was were plus before plus object. Where is was used and where is were used? So was is used with the subject I, he, she, it and singular noun. Was is used with the subject I. As for example, I was going to school yesterday. कल मैं विद्यालय जा रहा था। I was going to school yesterday. I was playing cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा था। Was is used with the subject I. I was playing cricket. I was going to school. I was eating a mango. I was reading a book. I was teaching English. I was learning English. I was speaking Hindi. These are sentences. These sentences show that was is used with the subject I. Secondly, was is used with the subject he. He was telling a tale. वह कहानी कह रहा था। He was coming here. वह यहाँ आ रहा था। He was playing football. वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा था। He was drinking milk. वह दूध पी रहा था। So these sentences show that was is used with the subject he. So firstly, I have already learnt that was is used with the subject I, was is used with the subject he, was is used with the subject she, She was singing a song. She was singing a song. वह गीत गा रही थी. It was used with the subject it. As for example, it was raining. So, was is used with the subject singular noun. Ram was helping him. Ram was helping her. राम उसकी मदद कर रहा था. This, so we have already seen the examples of past imperfect or past continuous. The structure, as we have seen the structure of past continuous, subject plus was where plus V4. What is the meaning of V4? Do you know the meaning of V4? V4 means present participle form of a verb. Present participle form of a verb is called V4. Present participle form of a verb is called V4. In other words, we can say it ing form of verb. Ing form of verb means V1 plus ing is called ing form of verb. So, the other name of present participle form of verb is ing form of verb. Going, coming, reading, writing, these are V4, these are examples of V4. These are examples of present participle form of verbs. These are examples of ing forms of verb. So you have already seen, you have already known, you have already learned about the structure of past continuous or past imperfect, and that is subject plus was where plus V4 plus object. We have already learnt that was is used with the subject I, with the subject he, with the subject she, with the subject it, and with the subject singular noun. As for example again, I was going to school yesterday. कल मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. He was praying to God in the morning. वह सुबह में ईश्वर की प्रार्थना कर रहा था. She was singing a song. वह गीत गा रही थी. It was raining. वर्षा हो रही थी. Ram was helping her. राम उसकी मदद कर रहा था. These are sentences of past continuous. These are sentences of past imperfect. Past continuous or past imperfect. Both are the same. Where is used? Where is used? With the subject we, you, they, and plural nouns. Where is used with the subject we, you, they, and plural nouns. As for examples, We were praying to God. हम लोग ईश्वर की प्रार्थना कर रहे थे. You were eating a mango. तुम आम खा रहे थे. They were climbing up the mountain. वे लोग पहाड़ पर चढ़ रहे थे. The boys were playing cricket. लड़के क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. The girls were making a noise. लड़कियां हल्ला कर रही थी. The children were playing in the field. मैदान में बच्चे खेल रहे थे. So these examples show, ये उदाहरण बताते हैं, दर्शाते हैं, that where is used with the subject we, with the subject you, with the subject they, and with the subject plural nouns. Plural nouns. Teachers were teaching in the classes. वर्गों में शिक्षक पढ़ा रहे थे. शिक्षक वर्गों में पढ़ा रहे थे. The teachers were teaching in the classes. शिक्षक वर्गों में पढ़ा रहे थे. So these are sentences, these are examples of past continuous or past imperfect. Now the third point, past perfect. Past perfect means पूर्ण भूतकाल. Although past tense is perfect also, the time which has already passed is called past tense. Past perfect, its structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. I had passed the examination. मैं परीक्षा पास कर चुका था. I had passed the matriculation examination in 1970. मैं 1970 में मैट्रिक पास कर चुका था. We had got good marks at the examination. परीक्षा में हम लोग अच्छे अंक प्राप्त कर चुके थे. He had married her. उसकी शादी उससे हो चुकी थी. She had seen me on the way. वह रास्ते में मुझे देख चुकी थी. So these are sentences of past perfect. And you remember the structure is very easy. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3. V3 means, the meaning of V3 is past participle form of a verb. Past participle form of a verb is called V3. Some sentences are in past perfect plus simple past. Such type of sentence is formed with the help of past perfect and simple past. The train had started before I reached the station. It is the example of such type of sentence, such past perfect plus simple past. The train had started, गाड़ी खुल चुकी थी, before I reached the station, मेरे स्टेशन पहुंचने के पहले रेलगाड़ी खुल चुकी थी. The train had started before I reached the station. We have taken exercise. हम लोग व्यायाम कर चुके थे. We had taken exercise before the sun rose. सूर्योदय से पहले हम लोग व्यायाम कर चुके थे. We had taken exercise before the sun rose. Such type of sentences are in past perfect plus simple past. And past perfect plus simple past including these two tense, past perfect and simple past, make a sentence its full meaning. The train had started before I reached the station. This sentence gives full meaning. The patient had died before the doctor came. It is also the sentence in which we see past perfect plus simple past. The patient had died, past perfect, before the doctor came, simple past. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. We had taken exercise, हम लोग व्यायाम कर चुके थे before the sun rose, सूर्य उदय होने से पहले. It had rained, वर्षा हो चुकी थी. Before the cold wind blew, ठंडी हवा बहने से पहले वर्षा हो चुकी थी. It had rained before the cold wind blew. They had come here, वे लोग यहां आ चुके थे. Before he went, बिफोर ही वेंट, उसके जाने से पहले वे लोग यहां आ चुके थे. दे हैड कम हेयर बिफोर ही वेंट, उसके जाने से पहले वे लोग यहां आ चुके थे. सो दिस सेंटेंस ऑल्सो शोज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट एंड सिंपल पास्ट. नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट. And the fourth type of past tense is past perfect continuous. The fourth type of past tense is past perfect continuous. And the structure of this very sentence is subject plus V, subject plus had plus been plus before plus object plus for or since plus time. Subject plus had plus been plus before plus for since plus time. As for example, I had been living there for 4 years. I had been living there. मैं वहां रह रहा था for 4 years. 4 वर्षों से मैं वहां रह रहा था. I had been living there for 4 years. You had been working in that factory since January. तुम जनवरी से उस फैक्ट्री में काम कर रहे थे. You had been working in that factory since January. The for is used before the period of time. Since is used before the point of time. For since, for 5 years, for 4 years, for 2 hours. He had been reading the novel for 2 hours. वह 2 घंटे से उपन्यास पढ़ रहा था. He had been reading a novel for 2 hours. She had been singing a song for 15 minutes. It had been raining since a week. For a week, not since a week. It is period of time, so for a week. It had been raining for a week. The cold wind had been blowing since December. So these are sentences of past perfect continuous. I think that you all have understood whatever I taught you. If you feel any trouble to understand, I will try my best to do it in the next class. Thank you, you all.